guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another video. So you already know by the title, I am doing a Notion tour. If you haven't seen already, on my Instagram I did a reel of it, so make sure you go check that out. But if you don't already know me, what's up? My name is Alex. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell button so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is the front page overview of the Notion. We're just gonna do like a little quick glance of it all first, and then we'll get into detail. You can see you got some pictures, a quote. We have different categories placed. So I really like using Notion. I have used it for a while. Like, I was so excited the first time I was putting everything together because it keeps everything all neat and organized, and it's very customizable, so you can add your own little flair to it, which I really like. As you can see here, you can use it for school or work, YouTube, anything. So I think that's what's great about it. It also has templates right here. So you know, if you don't know how to put something together, they have like things already there for you, kind of as a like guide, I guess. So like, you know, if you want to do travel, you don't know how to do something, you can just like switch it around however you like it, which I think is cool. And you just have different things on here like syllabus, but you don't have to copy exactly, but I think that's very cool. So I think we're gonna go down the page, and I'm gonna show you everything. So first off, we have my little, it's called an icon, and then a little banner. It's just all pink. I got the picture off of Pinterest. I did use a template for this, so I will put a link down below. But comment below if you want me to do how to make your own Notion so you can customize it your own way without, you know, using a template, because I kind of had to figure out how to do some of it my own to move some things around, even though I did use a template. So comment below and let me know. So first off, we have the weekly agenda. You see all the days of the week. I deleted some so I can start my week over. We got this cool picture right here, but I like to have the weekly overview right there, so when I go on it, that's the first thing I see. I can see how everything is scheduled for the week. And right here we have like a little music link, which is cool. You just have a little sound. We'll play the sound. Let's see. It's not gonna play the sound. But it's what is it? Good Days by Caesar, something like that. But next we have like this cute little quote right here: never let your fear decide your fate. And it's cute. Got the little line thing going on here. And then we got more pictures. This is like the theme for me. I just realized this is the same. Anyway, this is like the theme for me. Like this picture here with the butterflies and everything. It's like my birthday theme, so I like that, and I put it there. But first we have school, so we're gonna go to school and academia. So I'm just gonna say it. I wanted to wait, but I had applied to go to school, and it's just a lot of things going on. But yeah, that's why I have like the school here. I have just a little like I just have it here for just in case. But as you can see, we got a little cute thing up here, and with the icon. Now the template, it had this already, whatever. I kind of changed the names and the little icons around. So it has the email and like ID number. I just left it right here. I wanted to be red for like school, but I actually might change it back to pink because this is pink. So, and right here it says fall 2021, because I already looked up some of the classes for my major. You know, it might change because I wanted the double major, so I like just put these here just because just to have them there. But this will be like the little semester overview, like all the classes right here. And so like you click on one of them, it'll have like the credits, all this. Basically this will be kind of like the syllabus in all of them. So yeah, this is what this is in the front. So like if I do the spring, I would change these to the classes for those, which is great. And you can just put different things here. The discussion, the description, I think I copied it from the class, so that's about right. And then like just slides and stuff that they send. The assignments all listed here. But yeah, that's how it is. Okay, next, course of study, and it says business administration. This is basically literally my whole 4 years planned out. It already had like a guideline for this already, so I just copied it down, and then I looked up like the electives that I had chosen. It might change, but yeah, literally I'm just so organized. I don't know why. And I just wanted to plan it all out. And like I said, I really like Notion. It's so organizable. Is that a word? That like you can just do different stuff and templates and organize it in so many different ways. I just love doing it. Like if you want me to fix your Notion, I will gladly do it. So but anyway, like this is all the different years. I categorized like the yellow is freshman, green sophomore, so on. And then I categorize each class by what type it is. So I named these freshmen for freshman classes you have to take to be able to take everything else. Business, because that's the major. Then this is just a general class, which is also an elective. And yeah, and then I just put like the credits. And you just click on it. I added like the little description right here. And then some of them I put like prerequisites at the bottom, so you know what class you need to take in order to take that class. And that's about it. But I want to do one for my other major to collide them both. So wish me luck to be able to go to school. Okay, next up is school calendar. So I was gonna use Google Calendar, but then I was like, I don't even think it's necessary. And I said I was gonna keep it for like Zoom links or something if I ever need it. But then I don't know, I can literally just put like the link here. So let's do that real quick. But you never know. But I think the school said they're thinking about doing in person, so I probably won't need it, but just in case to have it there. But that is all for the academia. Next up is the scholarships. It's very self-explanatory. So basically it's just a little list of scholarships and whatever names, deadline, award type, and the amount. And then for budget and spending, I was just playing around with it. I just added these few little things that I was gonna have. All right, let's go to my favorite part, content. First up, Instagram. So we got post ideas. So we have poses, outfit ideas, cool backgrounds, and props. So this is basically how it looks. It's just different inspo pictures I got from Pinterest. Just different poses and whatnot, you know. And some outfits. I couldn't find much outfits, but yeah. And this, maybe some ideas. By the way, my birthday is basically in a month, so stay tuned for that. And then down here we have reel ideas. I was gonna do like content ideas like posts and stuff, but it just ended up being reels. So we have filming dates. So far this is what we have. We have the names, platforms. So this is like my regular Instagram and then my business Instagram, which is a work in progress. But and then just different content types, and then we just have them like this, and then you can open it up and like write other things out. So like if I want to write down a certain way, I want it filmed and everything, I can write down different things like that. But that's all for my Instagram. There's really not much else I think I can put there. Next up is YouTube. So we got the goals right here, sub count, watch time. I just thought that was cool or whatever. I don't have much goals. So we got the video ideas the same way. It's like the reels. So these have lots of different types though. We got lots of video ideas, as you can see. There's more than need to be written. Let's do ongoing because we're doing that right now. Let's do content calendar. Cute little calendar vibes. I love that. We have some stuff already. That's why I said May. We don't play. I don't know why, but May is always busy. And it's my birthday month, so yeah, we got things we're gonna be doing. But basically, let's do like this one. Just got like different types. What does it say? School. You just got all this right here. But that's basically what it looks like. We got personal, so we just got goals. I had lots of stuff here, but it's just changed. And then we got yearly goals, so these can happen at any time of the month. So we might change this up to make it look more appealing. Grocery list, you know, it's the grocery list. I like the little banner here. I think it's real cute. Now we got the travel planner. Let's put because that's where I plan on going. Actually, I wanted to plan like to go next year, but I guess we're gonna wait till 2 years. But it was supposed to be like next year. I didn't really change anything around. This is like how the template was made, but I did add like some stuff like travel budget. I just looked up like the average budget on a website, so it turns out to be like that. We have packing list that it was already there, which was great. Hotels and contacts, so different hotels. Restaurants, so we just got places right here. I had some and I think I needed to change it out, but I forgot, I think. But then we also have like dining tips because they're different from America. Yeah, see, it says restaurants right here too. I just needed to put all this stuff with that. So, and then we got Korean grammar, and it's like a little list because I'm also teaching myself Korean so I can be able to talk. But yeah, and you can also like use this for school, for like making notes like this. I didn't add that because I don't think I see myself making notes on Notion. I think I'm gonna be using my iPad for that because I kind of like to write out notes versus typing them. Oh, I forgot. And then we got this Spotify playlist right here. I don't know why it looks like that. It was in color at first, but now it's not. But you can literally in the thing. But yeah, I think this is cool right here. The vibes, you know. Next we have like business. I only have 2 things. I did have more stuff, but yeah, we got business expenses. So it's just like a list of certain things and the prices for all of them. I did take some things away because I think I already bought the stuff. But yeah. And then product ideas, I don't want to show that because I just want to, you know, surprise. But yeah, make sure you follow my business account also So stay tuned for some stuff. But yeah, that is basically my Notion tour. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment below. Let me know if I should do a Notion how-to video. And yeah, peace out, Girl Scouts.